Hi guys, Coach Dave here with Davey's Locker, and it's Tackle Tip Tuesday. So you know what that means. We're going to talk about what you need for a half-day trip. And this is all stuff that you can get right inside our shop at Davey's Locker at check-in. This is one of our standard rental rods, and given the right opportunity, this is going to be plenty for you to pull on any of our fish that we would be catching on a half day. And on your rental gear, it's going to be full to the brim with 25-pound line, nice fresh 25-pound monofilament. Another thing you're going to get in our office is going to be a fishing license. And all you're going to need is your last name and date of birth for each person to purchase a one-day fishing license. Something else that's very common that we use on our half-day trips is going to be our tackle packs. It's got an assortment of smaller size 2 hooks as well as larger 2-aught hooks. It's also got a 4, 3, and a 2-ounce torpedo sinker, as well as a 3/4 ounce, 2 1/2, and 2 1/4 ounce egg sinkers. A lot of times we're going to be doing some sculpin fishing in addition to bass fishing, and with that, we sell our scampi lures, which have been very productive when tipped with squid, and a nice heavy torpedo sinker. 10 or 12 ounces will be sufficient. Usually we go with our captain's recommendations on that. And something else you might want to remember to bring is sun protection, like a hat and sunblock. You want to avoid those painful sunburns. Also on our boats, we have a full service galley that can offer a variety of drinks like water, soda, beer, wine, in addition to food products like chips, candy, burgers, quesadillas, breakfast burritos, things of that nature. So bring your appetite. So hopefully that helps and gets you set up for your half-day trip coming out with Davey's Locker.